How to delete your videos on Likee. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. I'm back with a new video, and in this video I'll let you guys know the ways to delete your video on Likee. To delete your video on Likee app, you have to first of all log into your account. After that, it's going to take you to the home page, which will look something like this. So while you're on the home page, you want to go ahead and click the profile at the bottom right hand side corner of your screen. Then here you'll be able to see your profile. So under profile, you could see your followers, your likes, and your content that you've uploaded. So likewise, if you've made some private content and if you want to access it and delete it, you need to go to this center. You need to go to the save icon, and then you could find the collections or videos. Likewise, I don't have it, so what I'm gonna do is I have it public. So now I'm gonna go ahead and open up the particular content that I want to delete. After which I'll have to click the share button at the bottom of the screen. Then you just swipe towards your left hand side and you could find this bin icon. Press that. You could see there is this indication stating that permanently delete this post. If sure, click the delete button, and here you go, you've successfully deleted your video. So this is the way you could delete your video on Likee app. That's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.